Hi guys, the first video I make on an Arch Linux system. It's not that bare anymore, right? It's archlinux.org, that ISO on a USB, install xfce SDM as choice, system deboot, Firefox, Git, OBS Studio, otherwise I can't record, VLC to test the sound, and here we are. I do have Firefox already available. Check. Wow. We're going to make more projects. Kiro projects, right? So it's just not the ISO, it's the learning thing that involves it. Kiro project, just singular. Just made a new addition to the website. I put it in here. Well, it became too big and a lot of some overlapping there. So now we have this discover thing that goes down the list, and otherwise it's just going to scroll down your page and then it's up to you. We're gonna do more and more tutorials about building Kiro. Kiro is a vision of one man, right? But the thing is, the things we put on the ISO are maybe not your choice. That's the point, right? Learn already new tools, decide if you want to keep them or strip them. And that's this. Build Kiro from source. If you don't want to have Firefox, put a hashtag in front of it. That's it. Build it. So we have here some information, what we need to do. And this will be changed over time, right? So, but let's start with this one. By the by, I did not write a single thing here. I let it, Claude, my assistant, write it for me. Let's go on the desktop here. Git is installed, which means nothing. I just need to Ctrl-Shift-V, right? Don't need to type git clone. But sudo pacman-s git has been done already. So we got ourselves a Kiro ISO. I'm not going to change anything, right? So this is the first thing. What I run, you can run. Can you? Build the ISO. Your password goes in here, and then you sit back. Voila, we are on our way to download everything. There are at this point 10 parallel downloads. If your internet allows it, why not go change it in the etc pacman.conf, but 10 is really the minimum to get things going, right? So the build progresses. Now he's downloading every single package, 780 packages. Next time, if you build it again, right, everything is there already. It's on your var cache. So no need to download it again. If you keep the cache available, of course, if you don't clean it. But yes, Arch Linux in general consumes a lot of bandwidth, a lot of updates that we get in. So if you have, if that's a problem for you, Arch is just not for you, right? There are other distros out there. Let's see if the key binding came with it. No, I have to set my key binding here on this machine. So this is a pure Arch thing. And this is all normal. And in the tiling window manager, it's there, but it's hidden away in Tunar. So all these little things, mounted places, yes. What are they saying? Okay, so as you see, we can wait for the results but I think I better call the video here. Read what you need to do. More information will come. Discover, build your own ISO. There are lots of things to do. Change NVIDIA, change kernels, create your own repo with your own packages, add them to the ISO. What else, right? And all those ideas, all those changes can go in a separate YouTube tutorial that comes on here. That's indeed the plan, the future fun. Build Kiro the way you like it to be. That's the goal. Cheers.